welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. We are doing the October 2021 bag, which I did get a whole crap ton of add-ons in. So we don't have the card with the info on it, so I'm only going to be able to show you the stuff that's in there. I actually like the design of this bag better than the regular glam bags used, even though it's the same picture. They did a white outline on the lips on this one, and I feel like that really makes it pop, and it feels even more Rocky Horror than the other one, but that's just my opinion. But I also like these drawstring bags better. I feel like I get more use out of them. That's just me. So anyways, we're gonna dive right in. So, first thing we've got, by Wander Beauty, we have the Staycation Hydrating Mask, which minimal effort, maximum results with peptides, ceramides, and cranberry seed oil. Book the ultimate hydration staycation with our intensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisturizer, and skin treatment. This powerful combination of peptide and ceramide helps to improve skin texture and prevent moisture loss for long-lasting hydration. Cranberry seed oil delivers potent antioxidant benefits and diminishes the appearance of fine lines to improve dull-looking skin. But yeah, it has instructions for how to use it as a mask and how to use it as a moisturizer. It doesn't have anything for as a skin treatment. So the 3-in-1, I'm like, is it? Or is it really 2-in-1? I feel like it's 2-in-1. But regardless, that's a good size. That's a good size. So I'm looking forward to using that. So we got that. Then by, what brand is it? Oh, this is Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is the Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in black. So again, full size. I'm pretty excited for this one. It does have a built-in sharpener, which you know I always appreciate. So I'm pretty stoked to get that too. And again, because it's black, it goes with everything. So I'm pretty happy about it. This, I was actually surprised. I think this was actually part of the Glam Bag Plus. This wasn't even an add-on. This is by 111 Skin. It's the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream NACY2. Full size. And these are not cheap. So, let's see here. This ultra-nourishing cream effectively targets visible signs of aging to rejuvenate the skin at night. Wake up to smooth, hydrated, and radiant skin. Apply in small circular motions at night after cleansing and toning if used as part of the 111 Skin regime. Use after applying the 111 Skin Y Theorem Repair Serum. I don't know if I have the serum. I feel like I have the moisturizer by that name, though. I'll have to double check. But yeah, so that's cool. By Illamasqua, I have the Beyond Liquid Highlighter in... Oh my god, Beyond Liquid... Wait, is the color Oh my god? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, the color name is literally OMG. That's awesome. And the color itself, ooh, you can see it there. It's like a rose gold. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I love that applicator. That is nice. Not gonna lie. I like that. Ooh, that's gonna be fun to play with. I didn't have to go to work today. I would try it on today, because that is pretty. I still have yet to try a liquid highlighter. I have a few now. I don't know. It's like the liquid shadow thing where I'm so intrigued. I really want to do it, but every time that I'm on a day where I could do it, I chicken out because I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, and then it never happens. Oh, one of these days, man. One of these days. Okay, so this is, let's see here. It's by the brand Chasin' Rabbits. Well played on an A. Well played. If you're not a classic rock fan, you have no idea why that makes sense. But, oh, I love it. Journey to Better Glow. Mindful Bubble Cleanse. Extra clean activated charcoal in bamboo water. I love the font they used. It's so 60s. I am in love. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So is this a cleanser or a mask? Yeah, it's a daily purifying cleanser. Okay. I like that. Oh my god. That name made my day. Okay, so from About Face, in the Light Lock Lip Gloss, we have Angel on Fire. So let's see what color that is. Oh, there's tape on it on both ends. Let's carefully cut that without cutting my hand. There. I do have another one right here too that oh, that one's the matte painted lip color. Okay, never mind, it's not the same thing. Ooh. Ooh, I wasn't expecting the sparkles. Oh, that's really pretty actually. Look at that. Can you see the sparkles in there? Oh, that's gonna be gorgeous on, dude. Oh, I'm excited for that. Then we have, what brand is this? By Farrah, we have the matte liquid lipstick in, what color is this? Oh my god, I can't read it. That's a good reason I couldn't read it, it was upside down. In the color Tiffany. Wow, I'm dumb. I did not even realize those letters were upside down. Hello, dyslexia. Anyway, so that's a really pretty color too. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. And then, I think the brand on this is South Seas, and it's a Mother of Pearl Illuminator Hydrating Shimmer Lotion with Manoi of Tahiti. That's cool. That's what it looks like. Watch your skin come to life when you step into the sun wearing Mother of Pearl Illuminator. Crushed pearls and Manoi Tahiti directly from the South Seas create a luxurious glow. Clean scent. Okay. Kinda sucks that I waited till December to open that, but I mean, this was only sent out in October, so I mean, summer was already over. It's not like I really missed out, so I mean, it's not going anywhere. And I live in California. It won't be that long till it's sunny again. Okay, this is by the brand Real Her, and it's the Not Your Average Powerwear Blush. Or no, it's Powerwear Blush, and Not Your Average is the color name. Okay. So I'll block the mirror. Okay, that looks like my color. It looks dark in the thing, but especially when I was trying to put on blush that day that I put on all the foundation, and it was like everything that I thought was like real dark when I originally reviewed it barely showed up. That's gonna be perfect, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so this is by Pistache Skincare, and it's pistachio oil hydrating hand cream. Okay. From pistacheskincare.com. And there's literally no info about it, just ingredients. It is literally what it says on the tin. It's pistachio hand cream. What do you want from me? Okay. We also have, ooh! From Lovecraft Beauty, we have gel line eyeliner in the color Radical. Bro! Look at that! Holy shit, how am I gonna wear that? Ooh, that's exciting though. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get creative, but I love when I have to get creative because sometimes I learn that stuff that I didn't think was wearable end up becoming like my new favorites. Oh, look at that. It's like electric lime green. On this end it looks yellow, but looking at the actual thing, it's like electric lime green or highlighter yellow, but I feel like I see greenish in there. Oh, that should be fun. Not really practical for December, but I mean, just in general, it should be fun to play with, you know? Okay. We're getting towards the end of the bag. Ooh, another Farrah. This is in Coco. Oh, I get it, like Coco Chanel to go with the Tiffany. I get it. Okay. And they look similar, but they are different shades. They are different. They're like a shade off, but I mean, they are different. Then, by Basic Beauty, we have lip gloss in the color Literally. Literally lip gloss. Literally. That's so funny. I don't know why I find it so funny, but I do. I like that gold shimmer in there, though. Ooh. So I was gonna say it is just like a basic shade until you get that gold reflect going, like... Are you getting it on camera? Like, that's really gorgeous, actually. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot more than I thought I would. Told you I got a lot of add-ons this time. I went a little overboard. And finally, last item. This is from This Works, and it's the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow-release vitamin C help plump and brighten morning skin. Huh. And while it doesn't look very big, think about it. Serum you don't wear very much of at a time, so that's actually a decent amount for a serum. I'm excited! I got a bunch of good stuff in the October bag. How about you guys? So anyways, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything more. It's all down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first that was in this bag? Let me know that down below, as well as anything about anything. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, until next time, see ya.